Hi guys, I'm Molly Bernard, this is Henry. Welcome to our home. So, this is my living room. My favorite parts from the West Elm makeover are definitely this sofa, which is incredibly social and fun and beautiful, and this lamp, which really, I think, kind of ties the whole room in together. I love it. What do you think? He's into it too. Love you, Bruce. When I'm working and I come back home, now this corner is my favorite thing. I just curl up in this corner and stay here for hours. This is my bookshelf. It's one of the favorite spots, A, because I have great books, and B, I color coordinated it, and I have some fantastic objects on it. I've got a cool Bobby Kennedy pin. My grandmother ran his campaign in Los Angeles. I've got pictures of my grandfather, pictures of my partner and I. I feel like this space is so peaceful and kind of very, like, the most personal part of my house, so I love it. Come on, Hen. Welcome to my bedroom. I am an actress. I do a lot of my prep work from home, and feeling safe to kind of have wild and crazy ideas is essential in that. I love this apartment like a friend. Had no idea that was possible. I love my bed. I love the pillows. What I really love is this nook here. This is the chair. Actually, this is the chair. It really is so cool. It swivels. I think it's beautiful. It has completed my room, and this, like, it's so sweet. I have a reading nook. It's so nice. Really, home is my partner, Hannah and Henry, and it's sharing it with them. I love it so much that it welcomes me in with a little hug when I come home. Why are you still here? You gotta go. The sun is setting. Bye-bye. Love you. Love you, Minette.